Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Note 12 2023 edition, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first open the settings and then scroll all the way down to the system section. Here you will see the developer options section if developer mode is activated. To hide them, we should tap on this section, and to hide, click once on the swatcher. Then we should restart our device, so click to restart button, and after that we should wait a couple of seconds while our device will restarting. It could take just 1 or 2 minutes. Open the settings, let's go to the system, and we can see that the developer options section is done successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.